What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Triplezon. Today we are looking at an incredible tool for professional inspections, which is the best industrial endoscope camera. If you need to see inside tight spaces or complex systems with perfect clarity, you have come to the right place. We are talking about the powerful RayUcam PLX5 Industrial Endoscope Camera today. Let's get started. The RayUcam PLX5 Industrial Endoscope Camera is a highly advanced piece of equipment specifically designed for precision inspection in the most challenging environments. At the core of its performance is a 5.5mm HD camera probe that is housed in a high-density tungsten braided cable. This special design allows the camera to easily navigate through narrow pipelines while maintaining clear visibility. The probe is reinforced with multiple layers of stainless steel braiding, which gives it exceptional wear resistance and protects it against corrosion. It even features high-temperature resistance, which ensures a much longer service life compared to standard inspection tools. To give you complete control, this device features a very flexible two-way articulating probe. The lens can rotate 210 degrees on both sides, allowing you to maneuver into spots that would otherwise be impossible to reach. With the simple control wheel, you can perform detailed inspections of complex machinery and hard-to-reach areas with amazing ease. You also do not need to worry about extra gadgets or complicated setups. The RayUcam PLX5 Industrial Endoscope Camera comes with a large built-in 3000 mAh rechargeable battery. This means it works right out of the box without needing to connect to your smartphone, use Wi-Fi, or download any additional software. The device is perfect for a huge range of jobs, including mechanical inspections, vehicle maintenance, plumbing, electrical work, home repairs, and checking air conditioners or chimneys. Safety is also a major priority. The endoscope incorporates advanced temperature protection technology that automatically shuts the unit down if it detects temperatures above 90 degrees Celsius. This keeps the camera safe even when working in harsh industrial conditions. It is a compact and robust tool that offers a truly reliable solution for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need detailed inspection capabilities in tight and difficult spaces. Are you ready to take the guesswork out of your next repair project and see exactly what is going on inside? Check the price link in the description to get this high-performance endoscope camera today. Please remember to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more great tool reviews and content. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and have an absolutely fantastic day.